Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video, we will be discussing the Ethereum valuation on the daily candles, where we are right now seeing a very important touch here of the $1,955, what has been providing us several times massive resistance, and of course as well has been providing us massive support. So this will be a very important level that we want to be looking at. As well, we will be discussing the Ethereum bullish divergence that we can currently see, but will be signifying more sideways / upside momentum coming in towards the market. As well, we will be going into the horizontal levels of support and resistance, and we will be talking about the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. And as last but not as least, we will be talking about the number of active addresses with a balance above the 10k supply here. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to already smash up these likes here. And as well, if you have not subscribed already to the channel, guys, make sure to right now subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification so you're not going to miss out on these time-related updates here on the channel. So what is going on with Ethereum? So let me start off this video with going in towards the one-day candles here. So the daily candles, of course, are always showing us very important significance, whether the market is, of course, in an up or downtrend. Currently, we're, of course, clearly in a downtrend since we have been starting to set lower highs, and, of course, as well, the lower lows has been forming. But, of course, since we have been falling, you want to be looking at levels where we can be potentially find very good support on. We have been drawing these levels already for you guys several times here. First of all, the importance of this magnet towards the upside, the upper sloping support line. Personally, I do think that we will be trading a long time against this level again, as well here. So yeah, make sure to keep your eyes out on this important upper sloping supportive line here. As well, some horizontal levels of support and resistance are very important to look at. You can see this one, for instance, has been providing several times massive resistance. Of course, was also helping to create a big W over here, with, of course, while we were breaking through of the neckline here. You can see here we were finding beautiful support on this level, and this kick started really the rally towards the upside. So right now, having these retests of this level, of course, you don't want to be seeing all too many retests of this level, because the more times you're going to retest this significant level, the more likely it will be that you're going to break below this level and, of course, maybe fall through the next level. And the next level is, of course, sitting around the $1,400, what is, of course, a way lower target, what I don't like to see, of course, getting reached here. So yeah, what are we going to see here? Personally, you can see that the Ethereum valuation have not been oversold yet on the daily, so there's definitely more potential to lower targets. Currently, guys, you can see we are still forming a higher low on the RSI here in terms of the previous low that we have been creating. So yeah, we are sending a lower low on the price chart, higher low in the RSI, resulting as well in a bullish divergence on the daily candle. But of course, it really depends on where this daily candle will be closing. But this will be, of course, for sure playing out here if we're going to close it on the exact level that we're right now trading on. So this can be as well potentially be a driver to push prices a little bit more towards the upside, coming together with the $1,955 as massive support. I personally don't see Ethereum closing below the daily. I personally don't see Ethereum closing the daily candle below the $1,955. But of course, if we're going to see so, I will be right away looking for my next target around the $1,400, because between these ranges, there's not a lot of support that I will be looking for. Maybe the $1,580 will be a next level of support. But yeah, it will be quite a big free fall towards lower targets. So yeah, let's see if this level will be holding on. Personally, I do think, yeah, massive support coming together with a bullish divergence can be for sure helping to push up the price for the Ethereum valuation. So as well, it's not the only bullish divergence that is right now playing out here, because if we're as well going to look in towards the 4-hourly time frame, guys, we are seeing as well a bullish divergence. So you can see clearly a lower low getting created here with, of course, a higher low on the RSI. We have been forming a bullish divergence over here, but right now we're forming another one over here, and this will be, of course, once again helping to push prices either sideways or towards the upside. And I don't really think that we're going to see another leg down from here getting created here, even though, of course, Ethereum is right now getting dragged along because of Bitcoin dropping off here. And Bitcoin is, of course, dropping off because of the China FAD. So yeah, even though, because the news is so extremely bad here, sometimes we get, these bullish divergence getting ignored here. But firstly, is not very a scenario that I should be taking as my main scenario. Main scenario will be sideways action for at least the coming 4 to, let's say 12 hours. Or, of course, a little bit more of upside potential here for the coming 4 to 8 hours. And, of course, if we're going to see the price moving up a little bit here, we can be after that reevaluating for maybe a new potential pattern unfolding, or maybe some new momentum that is, of course, giving us a better direction in the MACD here. Because if we're talking about the MACD right now, you can see once again a bearish crossover came in here. As well, we have been still setting right now a lower high trajectory over here, as well coming together with this lower low trajectory. Guys, we are clearly in a downtrend if we're talking about the momentum on the 4 hourly on Ethereum. So this is a thing that I would certainly like to see getting changed, of course, because we have been forming this lower high over here. We can easily invalidate the downward structure here, and we can be easily reversing the momentum once again back towards the upside. So yeah, personally, I do think that the momentum shift can come in very quickly. And as well with these bullish divergence, usually giving as well a signal that the market is willing to reverse. Yeah, we can be really potentially looking for maybe some bright days ahead of us. So yeah, that's of course one of the better things that we're right now seeing in the chart. So as well, if we're talking about the if we're talking about the 4 hourly supportive target, guys, I drew this box over here. And this is a very important box to look at, in my opinion. You can see here in the past, we have been finding several times. It's of course coming together with the daily level, basically. So this level is coming together with the daily level over here of this $1,955. But you can see this right now drew in a box, and this is of course valid on the 4 hourly candles as well. You can see several times once we're touching this level, we are of course getting very significant bounces towards the upside. So yeah, definitely levels around the 2K. Of course, also psychological support level. It's an extreme good buying opportunity, in my opinion, to accumulate your Ethereum around these levels. So yeah, I'm personally now waiting on the sidelines. I've been accumulating all the way along, and I still have some limit orders setting up around the $1,900. So yeah, I can't literally wait to see if we're going to drop even further, because I will be for sure benefiting from it the longer we're going to fall. And of course, the more significant we're going to fall, the more and more I will be accumulating in terms of quantity. So yeah, we're trading basically in a key level support, and I do see the price action of Ethereum bouncing from here on. So before I will be going into the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, let me talk as well a little bit about the active addresses with more than 10K Ethereum currently on their account. So yeah, one of these reasons why I'm currently extremely bullish on Ethereum, and I feel even more bullish on Ethereum than Bitcoin right now, because of course, the market capitalization of Ethereum is way lower, and we have way more institutional interest. Of course, there's a lot of institutional interest in Bitcoin, but as well right now it is coming towards Ethereum. And you can see literally, guys, where you can see prices decreasing from the 4.2K. We have been seeing a very significant decrease towards right now levels around the 2K. But if we're talking about the addresses holding more than 10K Ethereum, it has been only increasing and increasing in value, in numbers. So there are only becoming more and more whales in Ethereum. So people are still buying up the Ethereum. And especially what you can see, because we're looking to big addresses, you can see that there is just a lot of accumulation going around here, and people are willing to buy up this Ethereum for cheap. So yeah, there's a lot of institutional interest. There's a lot of interest in general in Ethereum, and people are of course as well speculating for Ethereum 2.0 being quite big here. And of course, because there are a lot of projects currently getting built on Ethereum, you do want to be holding enough of it, because you don't want to be missing the boat of Ethereum. And that is also these reasons, because guys, if the smart money is accumulating around to 2K, why should you not be doing the same here? And yeah, maybe you're anticipating Bitcoin is going to 20K. What I'm personally not doing here, I will be still benefiting from every single time we're seeing another push down getting created here. So yeah, we are seeing literally the addresses of more than 10K Ethereum at an all-time high, because yeah, if you're zooming out about in all the information, guys, you can see, yeah, we're literally sitting at an all-time high here, and we have been increasing in valuation in terms of the whales in Ethereum only faster and faster in a more rapid pace here. And this looks like this is 2018. If we're seeing this bear market top here, you see the active addresses decreasing with more than 10K Ethereum, but right now we're only seeing it increasing. So is this a bear market? No, for sure not. As long as the smart money is accumulating, I will be accumulating as well here. So this looks of course beautiful, and I will be definitely holding a lot of my Ethereum, and I will be definitely buying more along the way down here. So yeah, I definitely think it's very important. And as well, adding on that, guys, the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, yeah, there's a lot of people are extremely bullish on Ethereum, and I for sure think that Ethereum can reach levels around the 6K still in 2021, guys. I personally do think that we can easily reach these levels. We know how fast it can go here. Literally in a month time, we can be increasing with maybe $3,000. I won't be surprised if we're going to see so, and the market can be shifting very quickly by just probably one tweet by a very big influencer or so. So yeah, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. Guys, you can see over here, downward slope resistance line, upward sloping support line. We are seeing a beautiful symmetrical triangle unfolding on this one, of course. We are still holding on to the supportive line, what we have been doing already several times there. So, yeah, let's see if we can be seeing some more bounces between these levels. And, of course, in the end of the day, you do want to be seeing a breakthrough to either direction. If we're going to see a breakthrough towards the downside, this will be resulting on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation trading on 0.4%. What means 0.04%? What means, of course, that we are going to see a 35% correction in the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. But of course, if we're going to see a breakout towards the upside, this will be meaning another 30% will be added in the valuation. And of course, from the point that we're right trading on, this will be another 60% gain against Bitcoin. So, yeah, personally, because of we have been forming this symmetrical triangle from a move towards the upside. I do expect in the end of the day this one breaking out as well towards the upside. So make sure to keep your eyes out on it. And I mean, make sure to as well just look at the on-chain data, because the on-chain data is currently signifying that there is just way more interest than we think there is. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this amazing new video here. Make sure to be on the right side. Make sure that you are accumulating as well your Ethereum, because you don't want to be missing out on the rally that we are going to create here near the end of 2021 here and in the coming months, because for sure, in my opinion, we're going to set a new all-time high in 2021 here. And guys, thank you so much for watching once again to this amazing video, and I will see you guys in the next one here on the channel. Goodbye.